Hi, here is the tutorial video of our NAMP Wi-Fi security camera. This is the color box. Okay, let's check the item. Here is the camera unit. Okay, we find the quick guide inside. Only 6 steps leading you up to set the camera online. Very easy. And here is the accessory box. The user menu. The CD driver for using camera on PC. The USB cable, the micro SD card reader, the adapter CE and US certificated. Okay, let's check the main unit. The camera is without batteries inside, so we need to connect to power. Okay, in the back side we see the on-off, reset and the USB, also the SD card slot. The camera now is turned on. In the front side, in the middle part, there is the camera lens. Also, there are 12 LED around the camera for night vision, invisible night vision, around 3 meters, so you can make a day and light video. Yeah. After the camera is turned on, the camera will send out a Wi-Fi signal. The signal name will be same as the UID shown here. It's CM7929. Let's go to the camera for checking the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, let's go to the setting, Wi-Fi, turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, we go to the Wi-Fi setting and we choose the signal CM7929. Connect to connect. When there is a Wi-Fi symbol showing here, the camera now is connected with the phone. Let's come to the Pro Icon app. Press the magnify glass icon. We see the new device. Click, and we will see the camera now is online. Let's click. We need to change the password for security. Change. Press OK. We click here. Okay, here is the P2P video of this camera. That means the camera connected with the phone without Wi-Fi. And the distance for P2P is 50 meters without any block. Yeah, follow me to do the Wi-Fi setting to set the camera online so you can check anywhere in the world. Press the gear symbol of the camera. Choose the device setting, Wi-Fi configure, and the local Wi-Fi. Input password. Press OK. We can see in the back side there is an indicator. When we press OK, the camera indicator will turn off and on again. Then the camera will restart, reboot, and connect to Wi-Fi in around 1 minute. Let's wait for a while. Okay, let's go to the Pro Icon app. Refresh the camera. Yeah, the camera in the button CM7929 is online now. Yeah, when the camera is online, we can do the bubble setting, the Wi-Fi remote bubble. Click the bubble symbol here. We can see there is colors you can choose. We can set the camera with red, yellow, green. Okay, we can also turn off the camera. Yeah, then let's go to the live video page of the camera. Here is the live video. Yeah, we can set the camera with night vision functions. Click the bubble symbol here. We will see a white and black picture, which means the night vision is on. We can click to turn off. Also, the symbol here is to control the indicator in the back. If you don't want to see the indicator, press here, indicate turn off, press again, indicate turn on. You can also set the pixels resolutions in the right corner by 720p, 1080p. And you can do the rotating. Also, you can zoom the picture to check. In the left corner, you can turn on the speaker for listening to the device. Press the microphone symbol. You can talk to the device. Also, we can do the photo taking. Let's do it. One photo, 2 photo, 3 photo. Okay, press the recording. It will record the live picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And stop. Then let's go to the first page of app. In the bottom side, you will see the snapshot, which the picture just we take. These 2. And in the recording, we can check the live video recorded. It's playing. Yeah, the video and the photo, you can also do the long click to share by Facebook, Whatsapp, Wechat. Okay. If the camera is also with motion detect function setting, we can go to the advanced setting by clicking the gear symbol, device setting, alarm configure, motion detector sensitivity. We can choose high. Remember to save the setting by OK. When we go to the live video, we put there is notification with 3 pictures recorded. Let's go to the first page, check the alarm function, alarm page. You will see 3 pictures recorded and with notification. Okay, if the camera is with anything abnormal, we can do the resetting easily by using a leader to press the reset key for around 8 seconds. The light will turn off, then turn on again, back to factory resetting. Okay, that's all. Thank you.